What is up, everybody? It's Van with Hang Free once again, wearing probably the same shirt as I was the last video. That's because we're doing a couple videos today. So if you see the next 5 videos, same shirt or jacket, that's because we're doing all the videos at once. Today, we are focusing the Trophyline HyperLite gear, their new platform, their new climbing stick. We've had a ton of questions about if the HFAS would work on the stick or the platform, as well as just overall what type of attachments we have that would work for these. As some of you guys seem to be struggling getting them as tight as you'd like. That is not at all a bash on Trophyline or their gear. We do not have any problems with them. We actually really like them. We're not at all bashing their gear. We're just showing an alternative attachment as we have been requested to do so by a ton of you guys and ask if our attachment works on their sticks and how to make it work on their sticks. So we're just kind of giving an overview on how you can use our attachments on their sticks or platforms. Again, it's not at all that something is wrong with Trophyline's gear. That is not what this video is. So please don't take it like that, and don't go emailing Trophyline saying Hang Free's bashing you when we're absolutely not. If anyone from Trophyline's watching this, love you guys, love what you guys do. Again, it's not a bash on you guys. So we're going to basically kind of get straight into it. Today is going to be the HFAS, our Hang Free attachment system, which is newly patented. It is no longer patent pending. For the actual platform, we've been doing a lot of kind of testing with it, a lot of sampling with our attachment system, as there's 2 different versions, a trucker's hitch version and a kind of, I guess, what we call a standard version. What we found the best for this platform is going to be the trucker's hitch version. That is the one with basically 2 Prusiks, the HFAS Prusik, and another Prusik that actually creates the trucker's hitch version. I'm not going to be showing you guys this today, as we have an entire video going over how to use the trucker's version, the difference between the truckers and the standard version. While the standard version does work on this platform, it just takes a little bit more to get it set right. So that's why we do recommend the trucker's hitch version. Again, that is about 2 or 3 videos ago we shot that video. If you want to see how to actually use the trucker's hitch version, go back and check out that video. Again, that's going to be how to use our Hang Free attachment system for stands and platforms. But again, we do recommend the trucker's hitch version for this particular platform. You can go check out that video and kind of decide for yourself. The standard version does work. It just takes a little bit more to get set. So again, go check out that video if you want to watch the platform or just really how to use the trucker's hitch version and the difference between truckers and standard. So I'm going to put that off to the side. And today we're mainly going to be covering this stick with an alternative attachment method. We're going to have the standard HFAS that we're about to go over there and show you how to actually use, or how we recommend and how we would use it ourselves on this stick. And then an alternative method if you want to get it extra tight. So for the alternative method, all you need is a continuous loop. This is going to be a 7/64 8-inch continuous loop. You can find that on our website in the accessory collection, or you can just look up Amsteel Blue. This is black. You can also choose from orange. Amsteel Blue is just the name, but you can look up Amsteel Blue continuous loop on our search bar at the top of the website and find this. Again, 7/64 8-inch. So that's what that loop will be. That'll come into play a little bit later. But for now, let's go over to the pole, get it set up, show you the standard version. We'll show you how to get it a little extra tight as well. Alrighty guys, we are at the tree. We're going to be showing you guys how to use the stick with our attachment system. However, I am going to show you how to add this loop right now so that I don't have to put it on, take it off, put it on, and basically make you guys wait a whole lot. I'm going to show you how to add it. However, if you don't follow along in this video, what I would recommend doing is going over to our HFAS Prusik spliced tinder only listing. There's a video on how to add this. You're adding this loop the exact same way. I'm going to show you how to add it. Then we're going to ignore it for the first part, and then it'll come into play for the second part. So I'm going to set this stick down, kind of come over to you guys. Wyatt, let me know. Wyatt is again behind the camera. Let me know if they can or can't see what I'm doing. You're going to want the fixed loop of the main attachment going to your right. So going to the right, I'm trying to orientate so you can follow along. You're going to take your loop. Here's the Brummel portion. I like to start with that. And you're going to go under or behind. You're going to basically girth hitch twice. Once, twice. You're kind of making a Prusik. The only difference is we make a Swabish or beefed up Swabish. So you got 2 wraps, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2. From there, I hold the left wraps and I roll some slack into the right side. And I take that fixed loop, that's why it's going to the right, And I'm going to pass that from the back side to the front side or away from me and then back towards me. And I pull, and that'll make that Prusik roll, and you can kind of push it with your thumb or your fingers. That adds a wrap into just the top side. I'm going to do that one more time from away towards and roll that on there. Then you just dress it, basically meaning make it look pretty, kind of just pull it, mess with it a little bit until it gets to how you want it to look, which is nice and neat. That'll give you a 4-2 swabish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Those are the wraps. That's how you add this 8-inch loop on. So again, for right now, we're going to act as if this is not on there. It's not going to make a functional difference with it being on there and not being used. So just act like this isn't on there for just a second, and this will come into play later. But for the standard attachment, the way we like to use it, the way we like to attach it, if you hear me refer to these as ears, this will be the right ear, this will be the left. That's when you're looking at the top side of the stick, not the back side. Again, when you're looking at the top, that's your right ear, that's your left. I'm going to take that fixed loop. I'm going to go through the right ear from the front to the back. I will open that loop and go over. And you kind of just have to pull that tight. There you go. Once it's tight, it'll stay on there snug. That's going to be attached to the right ear from the front to the back so that that line comes out the front. How to use the actual attachment, I'm going to move this up just to keep it out of the way. But you'll have your Prusik. The way we recommend using it, the way we would use it, is by taking it, you're going to be going left to right around the tree. So from the left ear, you're going that direction to the left, and you're going to be coming back around. What you're going to want to do, though, is go underneath the left ear to begin with. So from the right, underneath the left, you're going to be feeding your HFAS Prusik around the tree. I'm trying to keep it in frame. Usually it's much easier when it's right in front of you. Then you're going to want to go underneath the right ear and put your attachment loop over the left ear. As usual with our HFAS, make sure there's a little slack rolled into that Prusik. You can pull it tight, and from there, it's just setting the stick. So it's very simple, very easy to use. That crossover that we create just adds a little extra support underneath the ears and takes up a little slack from the Prusik, as these standoffs are very close to the tree. That way this Prusik doesn't butt into the tree. But it's about as simple as it gets. Sits down, seats nicely, it's going to hold nicely. Obviously you do see a little bit of flex when I add weight. When I release, it's just one to kind of ride back up because it is holding very tight. That would be how you get the regular HFAS to work. You want to start on the right, go underneath the ear, come back to the right, underneath the ear, and go over the left. So that's how you use it as a standard option. I'll now show you the kind of extra tight option. What you'll do, same exact thing. Now the extra tight is just having that extra loop. So what you can do to kind of preset this, preload it, is this would be the top side of the Prusik, the side that has the crossover point right here. You'll want to reach in from the top side and grab that main line. You'll feed the whole entire attachment through, all the way down to the end, just pull it through. So now that's kind of preloaded for you. This is going to be the trucker stitch version. If we don't show you super well in this video, head over to our last HFAS video, the one I instructed you to watch the platform on. It's going to be the exact same thing. We just don't offer one of these, a stick attachment size in a trucker's version, because it's really not needed. This is just to get it extra tight if you want to. So what you'll want to do for the trucker stitch version, you're going to want to do is start by doing the same thing. From the right side, you're going to go underneath the ear on the left. And this Prusik, the top Prusik, the one that doesn't have the tinder in it, you're going to want to place it about 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock on the tree, meaning on the back side. So with it preloaded, I'm going to swing this over just so you can see it for right here. With it being preloaded, all you got to do is reach and grab that main line, and you pull the main line. It'll tend your actual Prusik if needed. So this one was too short. That's fine. I just keep pulling until I have enough slack to go underneath the right ear and over the left ear. From there, I'll come back for the HFAS Prusik, and I'll kind of want to work out any slack right away. So I kind of give it a pull, just where there's no slack in the actual attachment itself. And then I'm going to follow that up by going underneath the left or the right ear with the Prusik or the hang-free Prusik and over the left ear. So I think I just said that in backwards, underneath the right ear over the left ear, as it was the first time. And I pull that tight, and that is going to really set your stick to where it won't budge. Once it's set, it's never going anywhere at all. It's going to be absolutely rock solid. But again, I'm sure as you can see, there still is a little bit of drop, a tiny little bit, even with this attachment. It's not needed, but if you just want that extra security to get it a little extra tight, you can do the trucker's edge version, but it is not needed. It's just kind of personal preference. We just wanted to show this option, as we can also relay other customers who are looking to do a trucker's edge version to this video for all of the regular attachments. But that would be how we recommend attaching the hang-free attachment system onto the HyperLite stick in both a trucker's hitch version and their standard version. Again, big shout out to Trophyline. We're not at all bashing them. Love their gear. Love the guys over there. They're nothing but nice. We just wanted to show how we use and recommend using our attachment system on this stick, as again, this video is highly requested. So as usual, if you want to see another video, drop it down below in the comments. Let us know what you want to see. If you have any questions about this, shoot us an email or drop it down in the comments below. We'll answer them. If you're looking for a question to be answered, it might already be answered in that comment box below. So go down there, read those comments, and let us know what you think. I'm Van with Hang Free. Thanks for watching, and yeah, good luck out there.